more in the fourth today. Still not the whole game, the whole fourth, but that had something to do with it. I was able to get a couple more points and a couple more boards. And then also in the Sacramento game, I got in foul trouble early. Picked up 2 offensive fouls, and then the 3rd foul on Garcia. And just kind of played 9 minutes in the first half. It's hard to get a rhythm.
Thanks. Drew, when opposing offenses were trying to pull you and out of the paint, and just, what is the counter when you're in for that? I mean, to keep you guys.
Well, today we changed the way we defended a little bit, and we just did a full rotation. Everybody, rotate to the next man, and we kept failing at the corner. Obviously, they hit a bunch of corner 3-pointers, so it's just one more rotation, and I think once we start making that one, we'll be all right.
You guys are still giving up a lot of points. Is that because of poor defense, or was that just the way the game went tonight?
No, it was a little bit of both. I mean, the last 3 minutes of the game, they got like 6-7 runouts, layups. The game was over, but just tacking on points.
Are you guys talking about the defense? Is that being emphasized, or?
Yes, that's the biggest priority for us, is to kind of get down what we need to do on the defense.
Are you guys communicating the same way defensively as you might have been at the beginning of the season, or is that falling off a little bit?
Definitely falling off a little bit, because that's why we keep on, running the situation where we got 2 people on the ball and somebody's, wide open.
Is that a discipline thing, just to remember to talk all the time like that?
Yep, that's exactly what it is.
Andrew, as shorthanded as they were you guys surprised at how hard it was to put them away?
Yeah, Matt Barnes came out and played phenomenal with him. I mean, he came out, he got 25 points and went 5 for 11 from 3, so he kept him in the game. And then Grant Hill.